about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
All right, homies and homettes, full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So check it out. We're starting off with some hip abductor to get the hips nice and warm, get everything fired up before we jump these legs off. Starting off with some seated hamstring curls. Now, for people who have a hard time feeling this, trust me, you're not alone. If you're used to doing it lying, okay, the lying hamstring curl is much easier. It's much easier to lie on your stomach and curl your hamstrings than it is to sit with an upright spine with your hips in a flex position. Okay, it takes a lot of focus, it takes technique, it takes finesse, and that takes time to master. Do not get discouraged just because you've tried it a few times and you couldn't quite get the hang of it. Be patient with it. So here we are doing some lying hamstring curls, doing one leg at a time. Focus on that mind muscle connection. I'll mix it up. You know, next time I hit legs, I'll do 2 legs at a time. I like to mix it up, okay? Really been focusing on connecting with the body these past couple of years. And I wanna share with you guys and gals some things that I've learned, okay? So stay tuned in with the channel. Be sure to turn your notifications on, all that type of shit, because we got some game to share real soon. So really focusing on connecting with my knees, taking my time. About to get into some squats next, okay? Now I want you to check this out right here, because I've noticed a lot of older lifters tend to leave the free weight squats alone and focus on the machines. You know, this is why I stress to my online clients all the time. This is body building, not just muscle building. There's benefits to your skeletal structure putting some eccentric loading on your body. That's why when we do arm days, I still like doing free weights, not just a whole bunch of machines and cables. Peep game. So you don't have to squat heavy to get the benefits, fam. So especially if you're an older lifter, there's no shame in just doing one plate and just focusing on technique, letting your joints feel the stress. Focus on your breathing. Feel the weight in your feet. Feel the weight on both of your feet evenly. You don't have to go heavy every time you do squats. Because as you get older, you want to maintain good, strong bones. You want bone density. You know, if you're able-bodied, try not to run from the free weights. That's all I'm saying. Free game, free advice. Take it or leave it. But shout outs to my online clients. Y'all already know what's up, okay? If you want to be an online client of mine, you already know, beastmode316.com. Gonna be doing a contest real soon that give you the opportunity to come train with me and record with me. So be on the lookout for that. So we're doing some leg press, nice and controlled, feeling the weight on our feet. Again, fam, connect with the body. This is body building. Don't get too obsessed with the muscle building aspect. Connect with your body. So here we are doing those hip thrusts. Y'all saw me with those hip thrusts. I was hip thrusting 3 plates, okay? That's a big girl. 3 plates ain't no joke. So here we are doing the hip thrust again, getting those glutes in. This is great for posture. I like it because it really strengthens the glutes, and that's great for posture. Again, as you get older, so many people overlook the bone density aspects of bodybuilding. Okay, so here we are doing RDLs, Romanian deadlifts for the hamstrings and a little bit of glutes. We're doing it on the pit shark. I like this. It takes less stress off the back. It takes stress off the lower back versus doing the barbell version. But I like the barbell version, I like the dumbbell version, and the pit shark version was nice too. Here we are finishing off with some body weight lunges. Let me tell you, again, putting that stress on the body. You don't have to go heavy with lunges every time. You can just finish with your body weight. Let your joints get that movement. You know, like the old saying goes, movement is medicine. Don't neglect those movements. You don't have to go heavy every time.
We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.